వైఎస్ఆర్సీపీ పార్టీ రంగుల్ని
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we start or we will wait for some more time? How many people registered?
It's total 600 plus, sir.
Okay. The ANIT's coordinating team already there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They are.
All the 3 students from ANIT's are there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we will start at exactly at 4:10. Another 1 minute. Another 1 minute.
Yes, the total registered are 785, sir.
Yeah. Better, I think, in the groups we should put directly meeting ID and password, Girish.
Yeah. I'll send this same, sir.
Sir, we can wait for another 5 minutes also, no issue at all.
Yeah. We will wait for up to 2:15.
Shall we start, sir?
Yeah, we will start. Remaining people
Yes,
will join. So I want to welcome. Good afternoon to you all. I want to welcome you all for this session. It is a very, very important session because the Salesforce certificate, certification is very important, and how much important you want to know from me. All service companies like TCS, Infosys, Capgemini, CTS, Wipro, they conduct a separate drive for Salesforce certificate students. That is that itself it gives you the importance of Salesforce certification. Unfortunately, the students are not knowing much about the Salesforce and how to get certified, how to complete various modules in it. But in our area, ANIT's college is doing wonderfully well under the leadership of Sharma sir, and some faculty members of ANIT's, they took this particular initiation in a very successful way. Not only they are restricting themselves to their college, they are taking this as a knowledge sharing initiation, and they are sharing this knowledge with so many colleges. They conducted workshops in B.R. Siddhartha, Gudlavalle Engineering College, VVIT, so on and so forth. So many colleges, this ANIT's team conducting workshops. Then in that series, we also requested ANIT's Sharma sir and his team to conduct this workshop in our college through Zoom. They readily accepted in spite of their busy schedule. They have the examination, students have the examination, they have a tight schedule of classwork is going on. In spite of all these challenges, they immediately accepted to address our GVP students on this particular Salesforce initiation. So I request all of you, please join your hands virtually together and give a big round of welcome to ANIT's team, Sarma Garu and Harshavardhan, Vaishnavi and Arshini. these people are going to take Harshvardhan, Vaishnavi, and Arshini is going to take the session today. So Harshvardhan, Vaishnavi, and Harshini from GVP, we are very much thankful to you on behalf of the students and faculty of GVP. We are very much thankful to you for sparing your valuable time to share the knowledge. And I want to appreciate you all for taking lots of care, and you are stretching a lot. I know every alternative day, every day you are busy in conducting these sessions in various colleges, and various colleges are TPOs appreciating that you are doing an excellent job. I got very good feedback about your workshop from various colleges. So personally, I want to appreciate you all for taking this initiation to the next level. And our GVP students definitely wants to be part with you. They also wants to know, and they also wants to be part with you in this initiation. I request all the students, please listen throughout the session carefully and note down the points and start working on the Salesforce. So in this tough time, each and every certification is very, very important. So each and every credential is very, very important. Credential like knowledge in Salesforce is very important. Even I told earlier in one session about the number of people using Salesforce, etc. So you go and Google it, you came to know that most of the companies now in their customer relationship management, they are using this particular software only. So therefore, it is going to be very crucial. This knowledge is very important, and definitely this knowledge is helpful to you for getting good job in service companies. Not only that, at the end of the session, Sharma sir is going to give you some more tips regarding the Salesforce. And if you are selected by Salesforce, you know, they are going to give a wonderful package. Some of your seniors selected in Salesforce, and they are giving very good feedback about the work culture in the Salesforce and the knowledge, the knowledge curve steep upwards. It is going in Salesforce. Therefore, I am requesting you all. So next 1 hour, 1 hour 15 minutes is very, very important. Please note down all the inputs given by Harshvardhan, Vaishnavi, and Harshini, and start following the tips and techniques given by them, and be part of this Salesforce journey. With these words, I welcome you all once again, and I want to thank on behalf of the entire GVP students, management, staff, faculty, training and placement department, Sharma sir, and Harshvardhan, Vaishnavi, and Arshini for taking your time and starting this session. Before we start, I request Sharma sir, if you are online, please I want to tell 1 or 2 words about this initiation to our students for energizing them to listen to the workshop.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your welcome and all this one. And along with my team, Harshvardhan, Vaishnav, and Harshini, and we have today with us their mentor from my IT department, Mr. Kishore, and Adit Sundar also joined with us today to give them support and boost up this one. Dear students, definitely this platform is giving a add-on support to you in your employability, because we will discuss about the employability skills and aspiration skills. This Salesforce become a employability skills to you, which may not be a part of curriculum in anywhere, but in the Western world, it is already there in their curriculum. In India, coming days in this one, they will explain in detail. There are 500,000 jobs are waiting in next 2 years in India, in particularly in CRM. And the Salesforce is growing in such a faster way. As early as you will get be selected by some of the companies. And most fortunate thing is, in any company, any course, if you are doing, you have to spend lot of not only time, money also. One is for the learning, the other one is for the certification. Here the beauty of the course is, the Salesforce is supporting you to free learning along with free of cost certification, provided it is not to everyone. Those who are following the guidelines or time guidelines, they will be get benefited with a free certification voucher of $200. The details about how you will get this one and all, end of the session again, we will explain to you in detail. And now I am requesting Vaishnav to start the session. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Vaishnav. Please go ahead.
Thank you,
Vaishnav,
sir.
you can share your screen. Yeah, fine.
Okay, thank you, sir. Good afternoon, respected faculty and all the students who have attended for this session in this afternoon period. I think it will be very unusual for you all students for attending this session now. So welcome all. Hope you are all doing good in this tough period. I am Vaishnav and I am currently pursuing my third year BTech in Anil Nirkonda Institute of Technology and Sciences. I thank everyone for attending this session in this short span. Let us make this session an interactive session, and you all students are free to post your questions in the chat box. So one of my team members, Harsha or Harshini, will be definitely be happy to help you with your questions. I think all of you are very eager in learning new courses and technologies, especially in this holidays lockdown period. But it's not the time for us to take rest, and we should definitely make these days very crucial in our life and our careers too. I think we have got the best time to concentrate in learning new and emerging technologies which are increasing day by day, so that we can have an excellent resume for our interviews and jobs when we are attending for our campus placements. I think we have got this time. So we should not always stick on to the bookish knowledge, but we should also try to apply that knowledge which we have gained into the technologies at the right time. Everyone think that CGPA will matter in placements and everything, but it's not like that. If you have the knowledge, you can do wonders in the competitive world. You should compete yourself to try to learn as much as possible, and always remember that no one is perfect initially, but they get perfect by studying more and more and learning more and more things. There is a famous saying that knowledge is like an ocean. The deep you dive, the more you learn and more you discover. But at the end of the day, the complete knowledge is like a drop in the ocean. I think everyone has joined. So let us move into the actual session. What is Salesforce? Uh, Hello Salesforce learners. Today we are going to learn about the world's leading CRM platform, Salesforce, that brings companies and customers together. In the recent years, there has been a big surge in the cloud computing technologies. Uh, One such technology which has had an immense impact on the world of computing is Salesforce. Salesforce is a cloud computing platform who provides service as software as a service and platform as a service. As of 2017, Salesforce had over 150,000 customers across the world, among which among which we can see here that Oracle, SAP, Microsoft, Amazon, uh, Amazon. So Salesforce dominates with a 19.7 market share. Its closest competitors, SAP with 12.1%, Oracle with 9.1%, and Microsoft with 6.2% are far behind the Salesforce. Today, many companies are developing their applications on Salesforce platform or are migrating to Salesforce for implementing their own software. This has increased the demand for Salesforce developers and administrators. Currently, the best and hottest skill is the Salesforce architect, which which have which has a which can be added into a tech resume. For tech giants like Google and Facebook, to your nearby call center, all of them use Salesforce services and products to solve their problems. Salesforce is in the cloud, so we can use it from anywhere with access to the internet. You be at any place of the world, if you just have an internet, you can just access into Salesforce and get your data from it. Salesforce seamlessly integrates with third-party apps. That is, if you want to integrate Salesforce with your Gmail, you can do it. If you want to integrate Salesforce with your accounting software, you can do it too. On the other hand, integration is tough with other CRMs other than Salesforce. Salesforce is affordable especially if you consider it vast variety of capabilities are present in Salesforce. Even small startup companies and small businesses can use Salesforce. Salesforce.com is based on multi-tenant architecture and metadata architecture. This means that multiple customers share common technology and all run on the latest release. You don't have to worry about the applications or infrastructure updates, as in Salesforce they are automatically upgraded and updated. This helps your organization focus on innovation rather than managing technology. So everyone will think that there are so many CRM companies. What is the benefit if you use Salesforce? As it is free, it is easy to use, it is cheaper, it is easy to customize. Reporting can be done in an efficient way. It is a multi-tenant platform. It is scalable. It is collaborative. That is, we can access it from anywhere, from any place of the world. That is, it is decentralized, hassle free. You can Hassle free means we can buy a cloud storage from Salesforce and we can access them for storing our data. If you want to learn any new technology or coding language, it may take nearly about 6 to 7 months and to excel in this other coding languages, you need more time for learning. But learning Salesforce is very easy, and if you can afford around 5 to 6 hours a day, within a month or two you can be a Salesforce developer. And with some more practice you can apply it into a real life scenarios also. Till that till date we don't have any training centers for learning Salesforce. We have to learn it by our own by creating our developer org in a Trailhead playground. So as you can see on the screen, this is the Trailhead login page. Trailhead is Salesforce free online learning platform devoted entirely to teaching people to use Salesforce. Trailhead Education, which was launched in 2014, comes in 3 levels. These 3 levels means how we can learn things is in these 3 forms: trails, modules, and units. If you choose Salesforce as your future, there is no doubt that you are going to be in one of the leading roles in the marketing world. Initially you may think that the salary is very less, that is 2 to 3 lakh per annum as a fresher, but within short span it will be increased to 5 to 8 lakhs based on your experience. The hikes will be in the ratios of 2:4 to 8 to 32 and so on. It will be exponentially increasing. By 2025, Salesforce is going to provide about 2.5 million jobs in the world, and it's a good thing that mostly 30 to 40% are going to be hired from India. This is the great thing which the Salesforce is expecting by 2025. Now I come to my introduction end, and now my teammate Harshni will tell you in detail about the Salesforce CRM platform. Thank you, everyone.
Harshini, actually there are so many Harshinis here for whom I need to unmute. Please message me. Okay. Yes, Harshini, you can talk now.
Thank you, sir. And thank you, Vaishnav. Good afternoon. I'm Harshini, pursuing my BTech Computer Science in ANETS. Till now, you have got the brief introduction of Salesforce. That is, what is Salesforce, what is the use of it, and what is the future in it. Now we'll go to the technical part in the Salesforce, like what are the features and the main components used in it. You see on the screen that is CRM. And as Vaishnav said, it is the largest CRM platform. So what is the CRM means? CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, that store customers' contact information like name, address, and phone numbers, as well as keeps track of customer activity like website visits, phone calls, email, and etc. But what does the CRM do? It actively tracks and manages customer information, connects your entire team from any device, simplifies repetitive tasks so you can concentrate on the specific one, deliver insights and recommendations. Uh, Hello? Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, Darshini, you can carry on.
So is the PPT is showing?
PPT, I think Harshwar, yeah, he's sharing.
Okay. Yeah. So coming to what does CRM look about? The present slide you see are the CRM attributes. So let's take a deep look about each attribute individually. Firstly, sales automation. It is a set of practices and technologies which help sales team to automate the sales process, collect data and customer interactions. Next, service automation. It is the process that works as a supporting system for the service staff and managers to achieve their work related objectives. The 5 major domains the service automation works on is call centers, contact centers, help desks, field service, web-based self-service, etc. Next, CRM also includes a group appointment scheduling tool in which a single scheduling link is used to share the calendars of all team individuals added to that group. Customer support. It is nothing but assisting the sales and marketing staff with acquiring and retaining customers. Mobile services means delivering a full CRM experience on smartphones, tablets, and other internet enabled devices. It enables sales, marketing, and customer service teams to access and manage key information in real time wherever they are. A product or service is simply anything you sell. This deals with the information and instructions of the product that are provided by the organization. Order processing. It is all about integrating the customer facing systems that impact the post purchase experience, making that available and accessible to all the stakeholders in a single unified platform. Staff automation. It is designed around the idea of reusable components for all services. It removes the tedium of building an automation infrastructure, thus enabling you to focus on building your automation solution. Going on, you see that intelligent customer 360. But what is 360? Customer 360. Salesforce Customer 360 is a tool that allows companies to connect Salesforce apps and different tools to a unified customer ID to build a single view of a customer. Using this Customer 360, a marketing team can attract more buyers to their product sales team and can increase their sales by knowing their customer analytics. Service to customers also made easy using this Customer 360 platform. For example, I hope you guys know the company named Seat. The Seat tire company uses the Customer 360 platform to make their services done. For a second, let us think. If I bought a car and have a tires with the company Seat, and the tire of that type has a warranty period to some date. This tire had damaged before the warranty period. As per the regular procedure, I need to go to the dealer, hand over the tire, and wait for 15 days as per the norms. But now, as Seat Tire adopted Customer 360, as soon as I raise a complaint, the dealer asks for the photograph of the tire and bill details. Within 10 minutes, the confirmation is received from the dealer. And this is how the Customer 360 works in one aspect. And even Redbus uses the platform to get verify the promo codes and etc. Not only these, many companies are using this platform. You'll get to know those companies later. Here, we can build any app just by configuring the things in the platform. How do you create an app in a legacy platform versus Salesforce platform? In a legacy platform, there is an old operating system or old method. If we have an idea to build an app, initially we need to set up or buy hardware according to requirement of the app and install the complex software. For example, if we need to use Android Studio, we need to install it and it have some functional requirements like 2 GB of RAM space, etc., which is a very complex software. We need to provide permissions if we have any database, setup reports based on requirement depending upon an app, and security to prevent accessing the data by the external users. We need to make it mobile and social. This is to make it available for everyone to build an app. But all this complexity can be eliminated and we can just build an app within 5 minutes using the Salesforce platform, which is so simple. Here, we'll not write any code. We'll just configure the tools and build an app. At the end of the session, we will see about how do we create an app in Salesforce platform, right? Moving on. World's smartest CRM. Salesforce is named as the world's smartest CRM. But why? Due to all the cloud services which we use on the slide. First one is Sales Cloud, the Sales Cloud Einstein one. In this cloud, we'll have all the information you need, such as to close deals, collaborate, sell as team, manage contacts, and track opportunities. Service Cloud allow you to deliver a world-class customer service experience, track the customer activity across every channel from online to on the line, increases agent productivity, and resolve issues fast to keep customers truly satisfied. Marketing Cloud. With Marketing Cloud, you can create personalized one-to-one customer journey and powerful multi-channel marketing campaigns that generate leads and drive sales. Community Cloud. With Community Cloud, you can build vibrant and engaging communities that help customers, partners, and employees. Next, it's IoT Cloud. With IoT Cloud, you can connect all your data from Internet of Things to rest of the Salesforce for better insight and real-time customer actions. Analytics Cloud. It is used to make quicker, smarter decisions with Analytics Cloud. Turn big data into big advantage by covering new insights and taking actions instantly from any device. App Cloud. With this cloud, you can build modern employee and customer-facing apps that engage and excite all within a secure, trusted, and instantly mobile environment. The last one is Commerce Cloud. It is to ensure customers' smooth and personalized shopping experience. Moving on, Einstein built into customer success platform. But what is this Einstein built? Salesforce Einstein is a artificial intelligence AI technology that has been developed for the Salesforce customer success platform. Einstein is powered by 4 fundamental AI capabilities named advanced machine learning, predictive analytics, natural language processing, and smart data discovery. With Einstein, the Salesforce platform has catapulted into being a smart CRM, bringing to life a new era of customer relationship management. In this slide, you can see at the top layer, there are applications like sales, services, marketing, community, and so on to IoT. This works on this. The applications of this Einstein built is that. And the next layer is the development platform where we can develop apps using an app exchange, Lightning Experience, and Force.com, Heroku. Here are some AI services like Einstein, predictive analytics, machine and deep learning, natural language and processing generation. And still we have the data services, and it is all totally named as multi-tenant infrastructure. Next, moving on. Salesforce integration. All the 5 things that computation, storage, networking, development tools, management tools, this all are the sum of the Salesforce. So these all are integrated in it. Let us take an individual brief introduction about those. Computation. It is more of how the data is used to build a related solution for a task. Major fields in the platform are used to obtain to solve a task. Storage. In this, there are 2 types of storages, that is file and data. Documents you upload take the form of files, and information you create, like records, take the form of data. According to some editions in Salesforce, there is the limit to data size. Example, Enterprise Edition allows up to 1 GB of data. Networking. It is the exchange of information and ideas among people with a common profession or special interest, usually in an informal setting. Development tools. Salesforce provides various development tools to develop an application. The tools in Salesforce are used to build an app from the scratch. All the phases in the app development, such as code, debug, test, deploy, can be done in Salesforce. Some of the related tools are Visual Studio Code, which is used for coding debugging and testing, Salesforce command line interface for debugging, developer console for code and debugging, and migration tool for deploying. Management tools. As we start work for anything in any environment, the primary component is data. So one should know how to manage the data. And this section in Salesforce makes easier to user or developer to work with it. The two main tools in the Salesforce are Data Import Wizard, helps to import data, and Data Loader, which helps to load data, operate on it, and duplication of data threat is less. Moving on. Salesforce Apex. You know the Apex is one of the programming language, and see, it is a strongly typed object-oriented programming language that allows developers to execute flow and transaction control statements on Salesforce servers in conjunction with calls to the API. When a developer writes a code in the developer console, which is an online IDE to write Apex, the code written by the developer flows over internet to application server. If any error exists, application server returns the error, else compiled Apex is stored in the data storage. When an end user requests for any operation, for example, he asks for addition of two numbers so that a related compiled Apex will be retrieved from the data storage to application server. It is executed to Apex runtime and output will flow through internet and result is displayed for the end user. Apex is the development platform for building software as a service and applications on top of the Salesforce.com customer relationship management functionalities. And coming to Salesforce Anatomy. To build an application or to work with Salesforce platform, the things you see in the slide is wholly needed. For example, for an application, the base work is definitely a database, as you all know. And the user interface is the key component one should look about, as it is the one and user gets impressed so that they start working on it. And the business logic or the logic, it is truly based on these. The declarative tools are standard objects and custom objects. These are related to the database. And the programming tools that consider are as object and wrapper classes. And next, for the business logic, the declarative tools are workflow rules, process builder, and lightning flows. In this, you write or you create a logic according to your software needed. And the programmatic tools which we use for those are Apex classes and triggers. And last, for the viewing, for the user interfaces, we use page layouts and lightning pages. The tools are Visualforce, Lightning Components, and Lightning Web Components. You'll all get to know once you start working with the Salesforce. Next. Introducing Lightning Web Components. Lightning Web Components is the Salesforce implementation of the new breed of lightweight frameworks built on web standards. It leverages custom elements, template, decorative modules. Lightning Web Components is a new programming model for building Lightning components. Lightning Web Components are custom HTML elements built using HTML and modern JavaScript. Moving on, Web Stack transformation. These are the transformations held in it, like 2014 Web Stack, 2019, and then to Lightning Web Components. What includes the 2014 Web Stack? Until recent years, Web Standards only offered a little foundation for the full stack that developers need to build large-scale web applications like rendering or engine, standard elements, events, and core languages like you see ECMS Script 5. In addition to being rudimentary, the foundation had other shortcomings traceable to its roots as a page rendering platform, not as application execution platform. And it transformed to 2019 Web Stack. What is it? As a result, the Web Stack looks very different today than it did 5 years ago, with its weight now heavily tilting towards standards. The core stack finally got the update it needed to become an application development platform in its own right. Many features that required frameworks now come standard. You no longer need a appropriate component model language extensions and modules, etc. Lightning Web Components. It provides a layer of specialized Salesforce services on top of the core stack, including the base Lightning components, a set of over 70 UI like user interface components, all built as customer elements. The Lightning Data Service, which provides declarative access to Salesforce data and metadata, data caching, and data synchronization. The User Interface API, underlying services that make base Lightning components and the Lightning Data Service, leading to substantial productivity gains. Moving on. The symbol you see between the Salesforce and the services is MuleSoft. That M represents the MuleSoft. Salesforce competes acquisition of MuleSoft with MuleSoft service will accelerate customers' digital transformations, enabling them to unlock data across legacy systems, cloud apps and devices to make smarter, faster decisions and create highly differentiated connected experiences for their customers. These are some of the services that Salesforce integrate with the MuleSoft and do. SaaS, it is service as a software as a service, social and on-premise. Moving on to the next slide. Salesforce has 150,000 customers. These are major popularized customers of Salesforce. Even the Netflix, as you see, Netflix, Samsung, Deloitte, Google, etc. Surprising, right? But yeah, that's true. The thing is that these are not totally used using the Salesforce platform. Some of those use the Salesforce for various services that a company provides. Next. Salesforce developer. Once you start doing it, you will all be called as Salesforce developers. Like Salesforce developers analyze company processes, developing CRM workflows and custom solutions for specific business needs. Salesforce developers work collaboratively with others on the team to create custom scalable processes for the company. What is needed? What is the background thing? A developer need an experience of 1 to 3 years, as you see on the slide, and the potentials of the certificates which provide by the Salesforce, like PD1 certification, platform developer certification, and admin certifications, and so on. And the skills. All the skills mentioned there can be acquired through the modules done. As an introduction, as my friend said, the modules consist of various units, and those, if you complete those, you will get the skills, what is needed. Most importantly, many of the people see the salary. The figure shown here is exactly true, but you have to be a developer to earn that. Once you start using the Salesforce, you will start with a small package, but growth in it will be very large. Trailhead, the fun way to learn Salesforce. As it is mentioned in the introduction, it is an online learning path given by the Salesforce. This helps a lot to learn about Salesforce, and the only thing we need is love to learn something new. Trailhead helps you learn the skills you need to become a Salesforce expert. You can take these skills and earn a credential such as skill-based super badge or certification to prove you know your Salesforce stuff and help build your career. Plus, you can connect with your fellow trailblazers in the Trailblazer community to share idea and solutions, network, and support each other. What is this Trailblazers? Trailblazers are the pioneers, innovators, and lifelong learners who will help to make the world a better place by propelling the future of technology and give back to their communities. And these are the links which provide you to do the step-by-step process in Salesforce, which is a path to you to become the trailblazers. Every trail mix have certain modules to complete, and then you'll have a PD1 guide in the trail mix 6, so you can see all about that. And all this will be continued by my teammate Harsha. He will show you how to create a developer account and how the learning path is. And as mentioned, we'll definitely build an app and show. Thank you, and over to you, Harsha.
Hello, am I audible? Hello,
Yes, sir. Sure. Continue.
thank you, sir. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Harsha. I'm here to explain you about. Till now, we have heard what is a technical part of this platform, so-called Salesforce. So clearly, now we can learn how we can excel our skill in Salesforce. So basically, we need a link to become a job-ready developer. So the Salesforce ecosystem is growing and is expected to create 0.5 million jobs in India by 2025. This was mentioned by a teammate Vaishnav. And here we are inviting all the students to embark on this online journey. We'll provide curated content to help you learn the Salesforce. So why to learn this? To supplement our education with Salesforce skill and differentiate ourselves in the job market and benefit from knowledge and experience of our Trailblazer community, build our skills and personal brand in the Salesforce ecosystem, and prepare for interviews with job readiness activities and mentorship opportunities. So how can we achieve that? We can achieve that by the 3 steps. The step 1 is building our Salesforce skills. Step 2 is prepare for interviews. And the step 3 is join a career event. Here in step 1, you could see there are some 6 trail mixes. Trail mixes are nothing but a custom learning paths where it consists of badges, modules, units, or super badges. These are all created by someone who are expert in the Salesforce. So when we go to the trial mix 1, see here, this trial
Harsha,
mix,
just a minute. Harsha, hold me 1 minute. Hold.
yes sir,
Dear students, now Harsha is going to take you to the directly to the platform where you need to register and you have to start your learning program. Till now, Vaishnav and Harshini has been introduced to you to understand what is actually Salesforce, what are the benefits and what are the components it is having in the platform. Now, from hereafter, you need to please note down very clearly how to register and what are the things supposed to do. And he is going to give a demo of how to use an app builder. In Harshini explained that one is very easy to create an app. These are the things he is going to explain you. From hereafter, your journey going to start. I request some students are going to drop. I request you to please be hold here. And one more thing, there are 2 types of registrations are available. That also he will explain you very clearly. Thereafter, if we have any doubts, I will come back and I will explain you. Right? Thank you. Harsha, please continue.
can anyone, can see my screen? Hello?
Harsha, you're presenting PPT, right?
No sir, Chrome,
You need to again reshare what you're sharing it.
one second. No sir?
Yes,
So
it
now,
is available now.
okay, sorry. So this is a become a developer link. Here you could see the 3 steps, that is build your Salesforce skills and prepare for interviews and join a career events. So step 1 is trial mix 1. These trial mixes are the guided learning paths. So firstly, we are going to trial mix 1. The trial mix 1 tells about what is a Salesforce platform and how we can get used to that platform. If you see the module 1, each module consists of 3 units, like get started with Trailhead. This is a unit. We need to read all the instruction as it consists of a video. We need to watch it. And at last, there will be a quiz which we need to answer to complete this badge. Just it's loading. Yeah, here is a quiz where you need to answer to complete this unit. So this is a module. It also consists of a project. Project is nothing but there are some hands-on challenges where you need to perform in a Salesforce platform. So if you go to this project, build a lemonade stand app, here they will give each step what we need to configure in that platform. Like they have given to go to setup, click on object manager, and we need to perform all this in a playground. And Salesforce Platform Basics gives an idea of how the platform looks and what we can do from that platform. So these are all the basic badges where it makes us to get used to that platform. It is Trial Mix 1. If we go to Trial Mix 2, it says about customizing. Like all the components are existing in the platform. The only thing we need to do is just customizing the things to build an app. Like we customize the page layouts and compact layouts and actions, etc. And there are several modules like Lightning Experience Customization, Lightning App Builder, Salesforce Mobile App Customization, customize the user interface for recruiting app, Lightning Flow and all. And it also consists of a super badge. This super badge is a skill-based domain level credential. And the closest thing you can get to a real world experience on Trailhawk. You can earn a super badge only once you complete all these 4 badges. This might be a module or a project or a unit, but we need to complete all these 4 badges to unlock this. You earn a super badge by working on hands-on in a Trailhead playground, like you would earn a module or a project. But these are a real life business scenario for which you have to build a solution in your org. And you can also gain a new skills and confidence faster. Now when we go to Trial Mix 3, the Trial Mix 3 about how we can provide security to our data in an org. Like we can provide security to our records, or we can provide security to our account by identity basics, user engagement, user authentication. These are all the badges which makes us to build an app, which makes us to give a security to our data. It also consists of a super badge security specialist. Here you could see there will be a use case and there might be some solution, some problem where we need to find solution for it. It is the Trial Mix 3. If you go to Trial Mix 4, it is about the declarative tools where we are automating the process, business logic. So it also consists of Quick Start Process Builder, Screen for Distribution, Platform Development Basics, and a Super Batch Process Automation Specialist. In this super batch, here you could see there are some video lectures. So by watching video 1, you could see there will be a solution, like there will be a problem addressing by someone. Here if you see, if you don't want to watch video, the video encryption will be there here. This is the problem. So we need to find a solution in our org. This is how the process automation badge is. And if you go to the next trial mix, that is Trial Mix 5, it is about the coding. If you have an interest in coding, Salesforce has Apex and Visualforce for coding. Apex is like Java, object-oriented concepts, and Visualforce is to build app pages in the Salesforce. It also consists of an Apex specialist super batch where you need to find a solution for it through coding. See here you need to read all the use case and requirements and you need to find a solution for it. And the last trial mix says about integration of Salesforce with other tools like APIs, Lightning Platform API Basics and Apex Metadata. And here you can see a trail. A trail is nothing but where each badge in it has a connection. It is used to complete an app. So here we are in this trail, we are building an app, recruiting app. In this recruiting app, we are customizing them, providing security to the app. We are automating the business logic. We are giving user experience. Like we have seen the software anatomy, database, business logic, and user interface. In this trail, we are providing all the 3 for the recruiting app. This is how a trail looks. And at last, it is about PD1 overview, how we can get prepared to the PD1. Salesforce provides some trial mixes to learn or to earn the PD1 certification. These are the two trial mixes which need to be done to earn a Salesforce certification. Like it is like a preparation for our certification. And PD1 exam guide. So in this PD1 exam guide, it's taking long time. It says about what are the contents or on the what topics the exam will be on. Will be moving on. It takes a lot of time. And PD1 study guide. It is about what to study and what are the contents in it. Similar to exam guide. See, this is a study guide. There are related badges on the each topic, and these are the topics for the exam. Like Salesforce fundamentals, data modeling and management is one topic in examination, and process automation logic is another topic. User interface, testing, debugging, and deployment. These are the four topics which will be there in our examination. So these are all about the 6 trial mixes. So next one, the step 2 is prepare for interviews. So Salesforce gives a soft skill trial mix to build our soft skills. It consists of public speaking skills, a video how we can portray our public speaking skills, and these are all the videos, and these are all some of the badges should be done to improve our public speaking skills. And Trailblazer Connect mentorship. Salesforce provides mentorship programs like it assigns a mentor for us who will be with us for a month and guide us in our career or in resume building or to upskill our Salesforce knowledge. So we need to apply for the mentorship program only when we complete all the 6 trial mix. Here you can apply for a mentorship program. So at last, it is about career events. Salesforce conducts some events for upscaling our Salesforce knowledge. So when let it open. So there will be some of events where you need, if you have an interest to register, it says it is all virtual and you can learn about the Salesforce there. So these are all the steps what we need to do. Now we can see how to do. So firstly, we need to have a Trailhead account. So we'll go to the Trailhead. As you heard before, it is an online learning platform and it is free. Here you could see learning in demand, like they have different roles like administrator, developer, manager, marketing manager, technical architect, business analyst, and others. If you choose a role of administrator, the administrator related badges will be available and you can do on that. If you choose a role as developer, the developer related badges will be there. And there will be a skill based learning, like a particular skill in this Salesforce like lightning, dashboards, or management, app lifecycle. You can learn based on that also. So this is what a Trailhead. So we are going to sign up. Click on Google. So to create a new account, sorry. Just a minute. You need to go to click on sign up and you need to create your Google account. Just a minute. Network issue.
Harshvardhan, any problem? Okay, I think he got a power issue. Srinivas sir,
Please
I've
unmute.
unmuted you. If you want to please engage them.
I think he's got some stuck with problem. He will be back. Meanwhile, I would like to explain you right now. He is going to how to sign up into the Trailhead account, which is very crucial for all of you. Whereas you have been totally monitored by the Salesforce as well. Your learning also you need to monitor from here only. Where you stand, how many badges you are completed, how many trial mixes you are completed, whether your super badge is completed or not. Everything is monitored from this from here only, because this trial mix URL which he is going to show you how to create, that is very important for to incorporate in your resumes. Usually when the company is going to hire you, they won't ask you how many super badge you learn and all. They will ask you, can you share your email URL? From there they will check what is your modules you are completed, whether you have done more into security, more into the automation, more into the analytics, which part you have done more, that they can directly they can collect from that one. Is there any possibility to share the screen with me? I can share my screen?
Yes, sir, you can do it.
Okay, just I will show an example to you, any one of the students one, so that it is easy for your understanding. I think before that, Harsha will come back in between. Just I am sharing my screen. Generally, we used to, I think you may have seen my screen in Excel sheet. Are you able to everyone visible my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here, this is the Excel sheet. Actually, we used to track each and every one of you. How many points, your badges, your completed points and all. And here is the trial mix we are getting. This is one we are captured from each and every one of you. Okay. And if I am taking this one URL, if I type this one directly in any of the browser, Hope my browser is shared with everyone, I believe.
No, sir. But you need to reshare it again. Once go to
Okay,
share
okay.
screen.
Understood. I will reshare it again. Mm. Now it came?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Some net connection also little slow. That's why it is opening little bit slow actually. Or otherwise someone else I can take it. Yes. Are you visible this Harshavardhan screen?
Yes, sir.
As on date, Harsha has been completed 216 badges and he is a ranger, 1,52,000 points and 23 trial mixes so far he completed. Just he is explaining you need to complete 6 trial mixes. Imagine, today he is completed and he is a admin certification holder. You can see Salesforce certified administrator. This has been completed in the month of March itself. Okay, so and here is the Trailblazer trial mix, this one URL. When I am click on this URL, you have seen this page is open to me, and the HRs everybody ask you to share this URL with all of you. Then from there he will check that one, what is he did and all, and how many things he did, what is the 7 super badges. We can see what are the super badges he did. Then what are the skill sets actually, what is his total general and what everyone we will know this one. How much percentage of he is doing. When the badges are increasing, here it will change automatically here. And total badges are coming here, total entire 216 badges are showing here, everything. So here, from here, each and every HR, whenever you incorporate this URL in your resume, the HR is going to check this one. Then the interview will be converted into Salesforce technical parameters. You will be secure your job easily because you did it practically. So it is easy to answer the question. While just again he will come back and explain you how to create this URL. This is most important for you. And these are the points everyone will check this one. Generally, the people will check this one once you complete all the 6 trial mixes. They will expect that you will become a ranger. To become a ranger, you need to complete 100 badges, and here the points is even minimum 50,000 points if you achieve, but the badges should be complete 100 along with this 50,000 points, and you need to complete all the 6 trial mixes. These are the most important things you need to complete. And somebody will say in this one there is a Apex specialist which talks about the developer and programming knowledge is required, particularly Java and JavaScript. And Lightning Web Components also discuss about the Java and JavaScript. Lightning experience is different, Lightning Web Components is different. So if some of you may have a doubt, sir, I'm not so good in my programming, how to overcome this one? The day you start learning this one, here your coding is very, very less. You need to integrate the coding. The code is available already. You need to drag and drop, and you need to understand, and you need to customize. Most of you are very good in debugging. So from there you start learning and improving your coding ability. Particularly, some EC students may have a doubt. Sir, we don't know Java, how to overcome this? There is a separate one, admin set of badges. The administrator, business administrator is there. The kind is also part of that one. So many other things are there in that one. Security specialists also will come. These are the admin set of file mixes we are going to provide you separately. From there, you can go ahead and you can complete your learning and you will become a employable. So I think Harsha has been back. Harsha, are you ready? I think your voice is a little low. Can you increase your voice? Take the mic or something closer to you.
Now, sir?
Now it is good, and I'm over to you. Okay, I'm stop my sharing. You can please carry on. Further, I will discuss. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Sorry for the interruption, guys.
Again, voice is just you need to take care of the mic. Okay, right.
Hello. Oh, is it audible now, sir?
Yes, it is good, loud and clear. Carry on.
Okay. Hello. Am I audible
Yes,
now, sir?
Harsha. Carry on. Carry on.
Sorry, sir. Okay, guys. So to create an account, initially we need to go to Trailhead. Click on sign up. Again, then click on Google. So choose your account. So it redirects to for your profile. So you need to give your first name and last name, and the profile URL as shown by sir. It should be your name. No more no fancy names. It should be your name. If your name already exists, try with your roll number or with initial. Try with your roll number or initial, and the profile URL should be unique. So click on next. See, looks like the profile URL isn't available. Try another one. So add your roll number too. And the profile should be in public only. Only it is in public, then only others can view your profile. So it should be on public. And company name as it's our college name Anits, and job title is not required, and role is student. Relationship to Salesforce is non-customer prospect. Country India, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, and click on done. A new Trailhead account is created. So begin your journey. And this is the learning parts. Trials, it is the guided learning parts, and trial mixes are what we create. There are modules, projects, and etc. And to view your profile, we need to click on this avatar and click on profile. So by here, you can view your profile. And these are all the badges where we can start. So if we click on the first badge, we'll go to this badge and we'll click on get started. And we need to read all this related stuff I just mentioned earlier. And we need to answer these questions. So by completing the quiz, you will earn the 100 points. In similar way, you need to complete all the 3 units. By reading all these points, we need to answer the things. For suppose if I answer something wrong, so there are some wrong answers, but there is a chance, but your points will be reduced. You'll just earn 50 points if you answer something wrong. So like this, the last unit. So so you have completed one badge. So how your profile looks. So this is your profile. You can earn more badges. So this is how your profile looks. You have completed one badges and it's the skill as it is general. It will be in general 100%. And here it also gives rank. So to get more about ranks, you are now in a hiker rank. Initially, you will be in scout with 0 badges and 0 points, and by going on hiker with 1 badge to 100, explorer with 5 badges, adventure 10, mountaineer 25 badges, expenditure 50, and the ranger is 100 badges with 50,000 points. These are all about the ranks. So how to do the trial mixes, which I mentioned before. So what we need to do is, we'll open each trial mix. Like we'll go to trial mix 1 and click follow. In the similar way, we'll go to trial mix 2 and then click follow. So by clicking follow for all the 5 trial mixes, you can do the batch like we can directly go to this bookmark link and go to the trial mix one. It appears and do the batch. Again, go back to the bookmark link, trial mix one and do the batch. As it is tough, we'll go to learn and trial mixes. Here you could see all the trial mixes what you have followed. In trial mix one, I have completed one batch, tailored basics. There will be progress to how much you have completed. And if completes all, it will be going to the completed trial mix. So these are all the trial mixes about. You can also add it to favorites. Like if you click on this, it goes to favorites. So you could see the favorites badge and click on your avatar. Click on your avatar and click on favorites. There you could see your badges favorite. And you can also see the progress too. This is what about Trailhead. So now we'll get to know about what is about platform. So to create a platform, we need a developer account. So firstly, we are going to developer.salesforce.com. It's loading. You can not only go for developer account, you can also launch the playgrounds. So if you go to the badge, yeah, go to sign up. Meanwhile, I'll show you how a platform looks like, as it takes me a long time. So this is how the platform looks. I will show you how to create this account a bit later because there is a network issue. So here you could see the main window. Like here, this is the main window, the setup home. Here, what all you developed will be there in this main window. And this is known as a main window. And the left side, this menu is known as a setup menu. Here you could see what are you can do or modify the things in this. And it is the object manager. In this object manager, You can view and customize the standard and custom objects in your org. Standard objects are nothing but the objects which are already given by the Salesforce, and the custom objects is nothing what we create. An object is nothing but a list of items like a spreadsheet. Here you could see the setup home is divided into three categories. They are administration, platform tools, and settings. And the administration is a category of where you can manage your users and data. You can do things like you can add users, you can change permissions, import and export data, and create email templates too. And the platform tools, here you do the most of customization in the platform tools. You can view and manage your data model, create apps, and modify the apps, and you can modify the user interface, and you can deploy the tools. You can also using the code, you can write Apex coding here in platform tools. And at the last, there is a settings. Settings is where you manage your company information and org security. You can do anything like business hours, change your local, and page settings, everything. So firstly, we are going to create an app. So our app aim is to create an app for a lemonade stand. That is, there is a lemonade stand where we want to create an app to maintain orders. So there might be many questions like what are they are going to sell or offer, what are the different varieties they sell, and how we can track the each order, and how can we track the number of orders like a report, what is the revenue of that lemonade stand in this day, like particular day. This all can be maintained by creating an object. You can think of an object like a list of items or a spreadsheet, and it is a place where to store and maintain information that's grouped by fields. Like this is the object manager. We click on this. There are different objects, and each object consists of different fields. So now we are going to create a custom object that is orders. So we name it as orders to maintain our orders. So we want to create a new custom object. Hmm. It's taking time. Creating custom. Sorry, there is a network issue.
Boys, now Harsha is creating an app which we are seen in the Trailhead Trial Mix 1, the fourth batch. Any shop is having this one, any fruit juice or something shop, they have a different flavors, different sizes they are going to sell. Suppose if you have a database with you, without creating anything, just you can create a sales app with the help of this tool. Just is giving a demo to you, all of you. Might be he is experiencing some network issues.
Sir.
Harsha, is it okay?
Yes, sir. Trying again 1 minute.
Or again, once again, we will teach this one again. We will go ahead because the network problems we are facing. One more time, once they start the registrations and all, we will take it once again for them.
Yeah, one minute, sir. I think it's now. It's
right.
Okay.
Right. Let it be.
1 minute.
I think you have a network today. Everyone is having a network issue. Even I am also very slow network today.
Yes, sir.
So, or else we will go to the.
Just that's why, Harsha, you can leave it. I will from here. We will do it later. No issue. Once again, we'll take a special class and we will explain them later.
Yeah.
Just I am going to share my screen. Can you give me?
Okay, sir. Sorry.
No issue. That is a technical issue. Everybody is facing such a kind of thing. Nothing
Okay,
wrong. Just I am sharing my screen. Boys and girls, I think from here we seen this one. This is the path he is explained to you from the trial mix 1. You need to go for the create your trailhead account. From there you need to one by one you have to complete. After 6 trial mixes you need to prepare for interviews. There is a soft skills training they are providing here. You need to once after the 6th one you need to complete this one. Then there is a career event. People are having a lot of questions are how many days we need to complete this one. Openly I'm talking, it is a part-time. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
This course can be up to 5 months or 6 months also you can take it. But if you are looking at a career perspective, the total 6 trial mixes is a 90 hours program. Currently we are all on vacation. There is no exams. There is nothing. We have any deadlines or anything. So on an average, if you can spend 4 hours of time, 15 into, you may be in 25 days you can complete, 90 hours is 20 odd between, we can take it the deadline of around 45 days. Because Salesforce is trying to complete everyone before July 15th. This program has been launched in various states and various countries. In the month of March itself, we are little bit lagging behind and lately we are introducing, even though the time is sufficient. This is a developer trial mixes, and after this session, Mr. Girish is going to, or Sir is going to share with you another set of trial mixes, which is discussing about the admin. The admin path is only 50 hours. But if you are looking at your career, there are different paths are available. So based on that, you need to take which one you need to select. Which one is ideal for you? Discover all your careers, which is in the trial mix itself. If you go to the learn and or if you can check this one, it is available. In the beginning, we discussed that one. There are how many jobs going to across by 2022. This is the path they are going to give across the globe. In North America, they are providing 9.9 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 8,760 jobs. Western Europe, 2,47,903. Particularly in Asia Pacific is more. more than 5 lakhs jobs. And an average sales salaries are like this. In the beginning, Vaishnav explained you. Maybe in the beginning you are starting because you need to get your certifications, lot of things to be done. During that period, you may be paid less, but this is an average salary after completion of 1 year a person they are going to get outside in India. In India, it may be little bit differ. Okay. So what kind of career is right for you that you cannot decide during the interview, it will be decided by your interviewer. But if you want to choose your path, there are different ones. Like I told you, admin, developer and all. Those who are into the administrator, they need to complete the admin certification and this is the goal. If you click on this, you will get more information and become a developer. In coding and all, this is the one. Somebody is having a beyond this one, or have a more into that one, then they will become an architecture because they need to have a problem solving skills, coding and lot of things is required here. And it is a analyst. Is having a purely different skill set is required. This is also within your training you can learning you can complete. But anything you want to achieve that one, basically you need to complete the 6 trial mixes of either developer or admin. Once you complete this set of trial mixes, then you can go beyond and you can learn more. They're all available in this trial head itself. No need to go search here and there. Okay. And these kind of so many jobs are available across the globe. Okay. Most of the people are seen in couple of, I think more than from 2010 onwards, I am observing, because first time in a large scale in India, 2012, they are introduced. Before that, before 2012, somebody wants to learn Salesforce. Right now, what you are getting to the trial head for this platform, you need to pay 5,000 rupees per month. Imagine. But now today, everything is free of cost at your doorstep. As well as if you complete the learning within time, you are going to get a $200 worth certification voucher is given to you, and 3 months time given to you to complete your certification. From the date of you receive the email, that email you will receive with the code and everything. From that date, you will get a 3 months time to complete your certification. That means somebody is want to prepare more, he can take his own time and he can complete the certification. And for that certification, we are providing you little more course material to you to complete your certification. Each and every stage, the Salesforce is going to handhold you and take you for towards your career objective. Okay. And not only here we are stopping, just I am going to give little more information also. Here, this is the one. In the beginning, I am discussed with you. In your resume, you need to include this one. Suppose if you are having a LinkedIn profile, if not, please create your LinkedIn profile, which will help you a lot. Today in India, ANIT students are working in different companies, more than 6 companies. Our trained people are working. 2020, during the 2020, when Cognizant is hiring the people, my students, more than 20 people got selected based on their Salesforce skills. They mentioned in the trailer URL in their resume, and during the interview, they gone through that one. What is their learning capabilities, everything. They questioned only on Salesforce, and they're given an opportunity. Even in Infosys, few people, they said they're not so good coding, but the moment they discussed about the Salesforce, they explained what they got and they cleared. And TCS recently, I think many of you may heard about from the Karthik sir and Avinash, the say TCS, even this year, current year also, they are searching for the people Salesforce trained and certified. Trained in the sense, the moment you complete your Salesforce super badges, we call you as you are trained. But trained is not only enough, you need to complete your certification also, right? So the next thing is, this is the one. And we are going to track you each and every trial mix where you stand and all. This is maybe here you can see get it now, but again you will be eligible. When you log into your trial head account, in the right corner you will be mentioned how many trial mixes you are completed, where you stand, everything they will mention you. So the moment you log in, you will know the details where you stand. including your trial mix percentage, it will be shown to you. Each and every trial mix, even 97% is not complete. You have to complete 100%. Until unless you complete your super badges, some people may thought, sir, if I completed my super badge, it's over. No, you need to complete all your quizzes, MCQs are there, assignments are there, everything you need to complete. Okay, I am giving you the companies which outside the Cognizant, TCS, Infosys and all, there are companies, Wipro's company, Aperio is there, and Copado, Eternus, Nagaro, and AutoRabbit, MTX. These are the companies looking, and they are providing salary more than 3 lakhs per annum. Some people may say, sir, I'm not so good, but I need a job to start my career in Salesforce. Within 1 year, I need to excel my skills and I can come back and I can do something better. Yes, there are companies, Days Work and KVP Business Solutions, Popcorn Apps, and these type of companies will starting with 1.8 lakhs to 2.8 lakhs salary they will offer, and they will hire you and they will handhold you and take you with them. And within couple of years, they are going to exceed more than 5-6 lakh salaries. So my request to everyone, please register yourself, and we are going to share details. We have few more forms with you. You need to fill that one, and you need to complete your trial mixes before July 15. If somebody completed by June 30th, they will be get benefited. Why? Because TCS Codevita and all after the NT, this one is coming in the month of NQ. If you can complete by June 30th, we will do the back-end process. We will provide you the voucher. It's in the month of July. If you can complete your certification, August, you will be benefited with the first company TCS. So my request and suggestion to each and every one of you, complete your learning as early as possible. So now it is open to the entire session. Any questions regarding this one? In between, somebody has seen a question, sir, what about the Salesforce company itself? The Salesforce name is okay. Generally, we call it as a future force. In future force, when they are calling the job, initially they will give you, this is the one. One is the admin or these kind of things will be given. Architectures and all, marketing and all this will be given. Relationship builder and all. So most of the time you need to support the customer. When you need to support the customer, you should have a more skill sets and all. One is the communication and your C Java skills also they will check in the future force. Future force last two before that one 2018 pass outs and 19 pass outs they hired from GVP also. There are 5 people are working in 2019 pass outs. And 2018 also one student working in Salesforce, Hyderabad office. And they are very happiest and they are saying, sir, we are waiting for our juniors to come and join with us. So now it is open to the forum. Girish, please unmute everyone.
Yeah. Students, if you have any doubts, please post it in the chat.
I think Venkat sir also available, I believe.
No, I guess, sir. He's not available, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. I guess if you have any questions, please post. In the meanwhile, while the presentation was going on, so many questions were posted. And
Girish sir is going to share the trial mixes to you. I think she posted, please provide trial mixes. Yes, definitely. Sir. On your choice, you please contact Girish sir. Sir is going to provide you either the developer or admin as per your choice.
Yes, sir.
Please, students, we are waiting for your questions. Sir, any other questions? Can you check from your end also in the chat box, sir?
Yes, sir. There is a question like, can you explain about quests in Salesforce? I am muting Vaishnav. You can just speak about.
Sandeep, this quests and all is only once you complete your trial mixes, then if you discuss about the quests, it is good. Why? Because these questions all talk about lot of meetings and all, which is before the certification. It will helpful to you.
Sir, I am very much there from the beginning of the session. I am listening to your students' presentation. I am
Thank you,
wonderful. I am wonderfully thrilled with the presentation given by all the three, Vaishnav, Harshini, and Harshvardhan. They're having a lot of comment on each and everything what they are speaking.
We are very sorry, sir. We are today. I think the network is giving some troubles to Harshvardhan today. Might be. Again, one more time, we will come back and explain this one. I think one of your students, Sandeep Nallana. If you have completed all your trial mixes, we need to know when you are completed and what kind of journey. Because the Salesforce is, if you need a free voucher, we need to take you in a different way. So I request Sandeep, you contact Girish sir after this one personally and share your URL with us so that we will check and we will update you how to complete your this one. Journey 2000 student journey. If you are completed to before November 2019, you are eligible to get a free voucher. Or otherwise, again, we need to do it, think differently, and we need to do something for you. That Girish sir will guide you in concern. We will together we will help you definitely. Some Teja Gadi is asking about what happened if we complete badges and score low points. Teja, here one thing confident. Suppose if you complete all the 6 trial mixes, super badges, everything, no doubt you are near very close to your Ranger. That's why we are talking about 100 badges minimum you will complete with all the 6 trial mixes. Points and all based on your, suppose if you done some badge is showing you 3000 points, but in first attempt you are failed, you are done in after 3-4 attempts, then the points may be reduced, but your badge will be counted. So anyhow, after this one, we are going to give you a few more trial mixes before your exam. Definitely you are going to become a Ranger. I'm sure about, if you complete the 6 trial mixes, be confident you will become a Ranger. And these points and all is we need to check. Why? Because where you stand during your learning, that is not exactly required for the employability. During the employment interviews and all, the HR will or the technical people will check how many super badges you are completed and what kind of badges you are done. Previously, Harshas, I explained to you how many security, how much of percentage of security you learn, which is your most favorite one. Apex is your most favorite. Suppose in the circle, the 40% of Apex and rest of the less means you are very good in developer. And these kind of things will be, questions will come to you. Somebody is asking this 2022 batch. Yes, 2022 batch also you are most welcome. Only thing, you can't go for the employment directly, but internships will be available to you, and we will ensure that when you will be associated with one of the company to complete your internship during your 2021 summer vacation, and 2022 you will be hot cake for many of the companies, and where you will do your internship, that company is ready to give you a PPO, pre-placement offer. I think these are the questions so far came to us, sir. Anything from your end may ask me to clear the clarity for your students?
Girish, you have any questions? Girish?
No,
Huh?
Somebody is asking, how can I go to Salesforce meet conducted in Bangalore? The Bangalore is over. Now, in the current year 2021 pass out, you people can expect a employer connect. We called it is in Salesforce language Ohana. Ohana means it is a get together.
Ohana is for only selected candidates, not for all.
No, sir. There are two ways of Ohana. One is for the after the Salesforce for their
I'll tell you,
employees. They will do.
I'll tell you one thing. There are two things. One is selected candidates, there will be Ohana. Another one, they will call all the clients and they will conduct one type of recruitment event come Ohana. Am I correct,
Yes,
sir?
it is called Employer Connect. We call Employer Connect. For that, definitely this time we are planning to do it in Andhra Pradesh. Hopefully, we can do it. If you people are more people can complete this one, then we can definitely invite them to Visakhapatnam. No need to go to Bangalore or Hyderabad. Earlier, we used to travel to those cities. Now we can do this one. Anyone, anything, any other questions? I think you all are unmute. You can ask questions directly. 2020 batch, if you are already completed your trial mixes as on date, yes, it is going to happen in couple of weeks for 2020 batch. If you are starting right now learning and all, if you want to participate in that one, yes, chances are there 90-10%. I think with this, this one is over, sir. Over to, thank you, sir. Sir, I'm over to you.
Sir, your audio is not audible, sir. Venkat, sir.
Yeah, students, I think you got a wonderful experience on Salesforce journey. I request all of you, please utilize this opportunity. Whatever knowledge sharing happened in this platform, with that, actually, you can start developing on how to get the knowledge in this particular these things, right? Don't concentrate on points, badges, etc. As Harshvardhan rightly mentioned, so learning is important than the badges you are going to get and the points you are going to get. The badges and points they are given to encourage you, right? So that should come through learning. Learning should not be for badges and points. Automatically, you should start earning badges and points through your learning. So my sincere request to all of you, please start completing this course within 90 days time, within 90 hours is the duration they are expecting. As Sharma sir rightly pointed out, if you are able to concentrate 3 to 4 hours every day, by June 30th or by July 10th, you can complete this particular course, right? So you put that particular benchmark in your mind and start working on it. And the moment you complete the Salesforce modules and you are having Salesforce certificate in your hand, I am telling you, no need the company should come to your campus. So automatically there will be a separate drives. TCS, Infosys, CTS, Capgemini, Wipro will conduct for Salesforce certified people. And not only that, there will be an employer connect event also will happen through Salesforce. So many employers will pick you in that particular event. So getting Salesforce knowledge, it is almost very, very important. If you see, open any website about Salesforce and the requirement of the Salesforce people, some people used to tell about by 2025, 5 lakhs people is required for the clients of Salesforce. Therefore, so many opportunities are there. Particularly, so many modules also there. There is a developer is there, analyst is there, architect is there, admin is there. So many portfolios are available. So according to your choice, do complete this particular module and start working on getting certification. I am telling you, definitely it will be very, very useful in shaping up your career. So I don't want to stretch more on this one. If women's college students are here, I given opening remarks when Salesforce workshop happened at our college. Unfortunately, at that time, we were not able to conduct that workshop in our campus as mid exams are going on going at that time. First mid exams are going at that time. So anyhow, students, if you are completed the modules, so whatever guidelines given by Vaishnav, Harshini, and Harshvardhan, please follow those things and complete all the requirements. Start doing this course immediately from now onwards. And whomsoever is missed today's session, please forward or please send this a positive note to those people to start working on these modules. With these words, I want to thank Sharma sir for readily accepting our invitation and doing this workshop on behalf of entire Gayatri Vidya Parishad students. Sharma sir, we are very much thankful to you for accepting and conducting this particular workshop. And Arshivardhan, Arshini and Vaishnav, I am totally impressed with the way you presented. You have absolutely grip on each and everything in this particular module. So your presentation is absolutely fantastic, phenomenal. So I want to congratulate and appreciate you, especially not only you are working for you are working for the benefit of the students of Andhra Pradesh, and so many colleges given a positive note about your workshop to me, and I request you to continue the same and pass on this knowledge to many students who don't know about it. And students from GVP, give a big round of applause to Sharma Shar and Arshivardhan, Arshini and Vaishnav for sparing their valuable time and enlightening us on various aspects of Salesforce. Thank you very much, and I wish with this workshop we can do significantly well in upcoming requirements related to the service companies related to Salesforce expectation, or maybe Salesforce recruitment, direct recruitment also. Thank you, one and all. Thank you very much.
Sir, before enough, I would like to this one to all the students, sir. So we request your team to create a common group for all the 3 college students for a Salesforce separate WhatsApp group or Telegram group, whereas Harshi and Vaishnav, they are going to clarify their doubts during their learning if anyone is required. They will be joined in your student group and they will help the students to complete the journey as early as possible.
From GVP, Girish take an initiation to open one Salesforce group. So tag Arshini, Vaishnav and Arshivardhan in it, and then we can start a journey with them. So students, with these words, I want to say all the best to you. And if already GVP group is there, it's appreciable. The same group you can join. You can take.
Yeah, that's a WhatsApp group, sir. So where only 250 people can add it. We will create a Telegram group and we'll share, sir.
The Girish coordinate it, and our faculty is single point of contact is there for from our college. Some faculty are there in this Salesforce initiation. Ask them to mentor the students and ask them to work along with the ANITS mentors also, and mentors from ANITS, because they shaped their students very well. I want to specially applaud the mentors of ANITS who groomed these students. They are absolutely phenomenal and fantastic. So thank you very much for that. And I request Girish, you also be in touch with our mentors, and please ensure that our mentors in contact with the mentors of ANITS and do some good work for our students also. So thank you very much, and have a nice time ahead. And I request you all take this initiation seriously and don't waste the efforts of these people. So put this all, put a benchmark and start working on it. By July 10th, you should finish it. That is the benchmark you should put it, and you should start working on that. So if anything is there, Girish will coordinate with you all students, and you can coordinate with Girish, and Girish will solve any tactical problems are there in it. So I wish you all the best. Thank you very much, Sharma sir, once again, and thank you very much for your team. I hope Almighty will give a lot of energy to you and your team to continue the same work and work with same spirit to share this knowledge with all the remaining students. Thank you very much.
Definitely, sir, with all your support. With this, we are signing up. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. I'm ending the meeting, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, Girish, end the meet.